Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is a chili chicken chipotle mayo burger. Vegan, of course. I took the bun and toasted both sides in a dry pan, and then I spread them with some chipotle mayonnaise, which I just mixed myself with some Veganized and some dry chipotle powder. Then I put a little bit of iceberg lettuce down. This is a Morningstar Farms buffalo chicken patty, which I cooked on both sides. Then I took some canned mild whole green chilies, drained them, sliced them open, and piled them on top. Put more chipotle mayo on the bun, and now let me take a taste. This is so good. I love the taste of the mild green chilies. I love them in all kinds of things. They're really good. I really piled them up too because I wanted a lot. The buffalo chicken patty from Morningstar Farms, it's got a good texture. It's got a good flavor. It's very spicy, but it doesn't overwhelm the chipotle mayo, which is very spicy too and adds a nice smoky finish to the whole thing. It's really good. I don't think it needs anything other than lettuce besides the chilies. So this was a very good burger. I like it. Not too spicy that it'll hurt you though. I mean, if you can stand the, buffalo style wings or patties. I have not tried Morningstar Farms buffalo wings. But the patties are so good. They're just like I remember. I don't know why they took such a long time to veganize. Because they're perfect. They're exactly the same, and they're really good. Really. I mean, they're right up there with all the new stuff, all the newfangled high-tech stuff. Really delicious. So I guess I'll put a recipe up if you want to mix up the chipotle mayo or something. I'll put it on my blog and link to the recipe in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting the community tab. I do regular video uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. However, I should mention that if there is a holiday or other special occasion, I will put up a video on that particular day. It doesn't matter if it's not Sunday, Tuesday, or Thursday. It'll go up. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. And I will see you later, guys.